CBSE Mathematics Class 9 Volume of a right circular cone. The volume of a right circular cone. The volume V of a right circular cone of radius r is given by V equal 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. 1 by 3 pi into r into h cubic units. Take a conical cup of radius r and height h. Also, take a cylindrical jar of radius r and height h. Fill the cup with water to the brim and transfer the water to the jar. Repeat the process 2 times more. You will find that 3 cups full to brim will fill the jar completely. Thus, we conclude that 3 into volume of the cone of radius r and height h equal volume of the cylinder of radius r and height h. Thus, volume of the cone of radius r and height h is 1 by 3 pi into r into h cubic unit. That is 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic unit. That is 1 by 3 into area of base into height cubic units. First question. Find the volume of right circular cone 1.02 meter high. If the radius of its base is 28 cm, find its volume. V equal 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic unit. H is equal to 1.02 meter, which is 102 centimeter. 1.02 into 100, that is 102 centimeter. Radius equal to 28 centimeter. V equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 102 centimeter, that is 83776 cubic centimeter. Second question. The area of the base of a right circular cone is 314 centimeter square and its height is 15 centimeter. Find the volume of the cone. Volume V equal to 1 by 3 into area of base into height. Area of base is given and height is given. So directly you can apply area of base is 314 centimeter square and height is 15 centimeter. So volume V equal to 1 by 3 into 314 into 15, that is 1570 centimeter cube. Third question. The diameter of a right circular cone is 8 cm and its volume is 48 pi centimeter cube. What is its height? Let h be the height of the cone. The diameter of the cone is 8 cm and radius of the cone is 4 cm and the volume of the cone is 48 pi centimeter cube. That is volume V equal 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi into r into h is 48 pi. 1 by 3 pi into r into h is 48 pi. So h small h equal 3 into 48 into pi by pi into 4 into 4. Pi and pi gets cancelled and we get 9 centimeter, which is the height of the cone. Thank you.